What's up? All right, we're headed to Long Lake in Akron, Ohio.
Anthony, it's too early for your fucking bullshit. I'm still half asleep.
Eric's half asleep, slept over at his house on his couch, while a 60-pound dog slept on top of me. So I got quality sleep, I think. He was a cuddle.
This is the most attractive thing to ever sleep on top of you.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Anyways, we're going for the spawn bedfish again. We tore him up last time on Portage, right? Killed it. We caught one fish and it was...
You'll see all that solid video here coming up pretty soon.
Yeah. That's going to be the vlog before this vlog. So you would
just
already watched it.
Yeah, you already saw it.
It's good stuff. Good
Just
stuff.
to recap.
Yeah.
We didn't catch any fish.
Recap, we caught one fish. So we're going to go to Long Lake, see if that's any better, and hopefully catch some more than one. Should stop at the gas station.
Too late.
Kids are going to school.
Stay in school, kids.
Or else
You wind up
you look like this.
Yeah, if you don't stay in school, then you'll be going fishing at 6:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
Who wants to do that?
Who would do that?
There you go play 9 holes of golf later.
No.
And jump on Anthony's mom.
What?
You gonna turn that off or
No, dude, we're just gonna
we're
sit
just
here.
gonna small
It's
talk
gonna be-
bullshit
it's gonna be
and
a
put on the vlog? Okay.
$11.21. Your phone's at 4%.
Yeah.
What the
I was
fuck?
playing music all day. It was only on 36 when we got out here.
Why was it on? I thought you charged it last night.
Nah, I fell asleep.
You dummy. How do you forget to do that?
I fell asleep. No, I was playing with it.
You were watching TV and shit.
And I fell asleep. Get off my dick. How about that?
Why you get so mad?
Why do you get so nitpicky?
I'm not.
Turtle. I'm fat, but I identify as skinny. I'm trans fat. That's what
You see Cardi B put out a bunch of nudes?
Say what?
Yeah. Cause like,
you better be lying to me.
I'm not. Cause like people took a shot of like under her dress and it looked like her vagina.
Yeah.
So people were like, oh, you know, she wasn't wearing panties, and she was like, that wasn't my vagina, this is my vagina. And I guess she had a video. I didn't look into the video. It is on Google Images. I saw real quick. Butt naked.
Oh, my phone died.
Oh no. Why?
This is what I get. This is what I get when I charge my phone.
Can't wait to put that in the vlog. That's going in there. Come on. Give it to me.